In this video, you will learn how to create, export, and import Photoshop actions and apply them to numerous other images to get the same desired result. At the very end of the video, I will share with you a link from where you can download Photoshop actions for free. You will find your action control panel right here. But if you don't see it, then you have to turn the visibility on from Windows. As you open the action control panel, you will get some default actions, which you can check out later. For the time being, we are concerned only with creating new actions. For that, you have to click on this Create New Action button. You will get the option to name the action. Next, you have to select which set you want to keep your action in. You can see only the default set. If you want to create a new set for your action, then hit Cancel and click on the New Set button. Name according to your liking. Now that we've returned to the Create Action panel, we'll choose our new set. You can even use shortcuts to speed up the execution of your action. Choose a color to color code your action so that you can easily recognize it in button mode. Now press Record to start creating your action file. I am going to create action for frequency separation, and the dodge and burn method to retouch the portrait. If you want to learn portrait retouching in detail, then click on the above I button or the link in the description below. After you are done with all your steps, click on Stop. You can rename the action by double-clicking on it. I am going to delete all our edits. Now, let's try out our action file. To apply any action file, you just have to select it and then click on this play button. It's going to apply all the steps you recorded. If you want to add any more steps to it, then you can do it easily, just by clicking the Record button again. As we have done with creating our action, we will learn how to export it. We can find the option to export the action file from this menu. We have to use this option Save Actions. But, as you can see, it's inactive. This is because you have to save the set containing the action, and not the action itself. Double-click to rename the set. Again, return to Save Actions, keeping the set selected. Now you will be able to save the action. To import an action, you have to return to the same menu, then find Load Actions. Click on it and then select your action file and then Load Action. Apply it to your image by playing the action file with this option here. If you want to try out some cool new looks for your images, but don't have the budget to buy premium action files, then follow along with me. I will show you one of the best websites from where you can download free action files. I have provided the link in the description below. You will find a whole lot of actions, which you can download by clicking here and then selecting the action. Let's try out the action in our image. Hope you liked our video. Please like and share our video. Subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more Photoshop tutorial videos.